From the Cruise Radio studio in Jacksonville, Florida, this is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings has released the financial results for the first quarter of 2022, which resulted in a net loss of $1 billion. Better than the same quarter last year, though, which was $1.4 billion. As far as revenue, the company brought in $521.9 million. And by the end of Q1 this year, the company had 85% of its capacity operating, with an occupancy averaging at 48%. NCL Holdings now has its entire 28-ship fleet back in service across its three brands, NCL, Oceania, and Regent Seven Seas Cruises. The company is reporting that bookings for the fourth quarter of 2022 are currently in line with 2019, but at higher pricing, and booking trends have also further improved. And Celebrity Cruises has announced that Olympic gold medalist Simone Biles will be the godmother of its newest ship, Celebrity Beyond. The Edge-class ship debuted last month and is now operating voyages in the Med. In November, Beyond will arrive in Port Everglades in Florida to be christened by Biles during a ceremony on November 4th. From Port Everglades, the ship will then begin a season of 5 to 9 night Caribbean voyages. And finally, Wasted Away in Margaritaville. The newly renovated and rebranded ship Margaritaville at Sea Paradise is officially home at her Port of Palm Beach, Florida, new home port. Last year, Bahamas Paradise Cruise Line announced that it was rebranding into Margaritaville at Sea and that its ship Grand Classica would receive a massive Margaritaville overhaul. Grand Classica went into dry dock last month and is now emerged as Margaritaville at Sea Paradise. The ship is expected to set sail with guests this Saturday, May 14th. She'll operate 2-night voyages between the Port of Palm Beach and Freeport, Bahamas. And cruise line stocks were mixed on Tuesday. Carnival Corporation up 0.5%, 14.19. Royal Caribbean down 1%, 60.92. And Norwegian up 1.6, 16.21. Breaking news and industry coverage at cruiseradio.net. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Have a great Wednesday.
Cruise News Today is a production of Cruise Radio. For daily updates, subscribe to the Cruise Radio YouTube channel or visit cruiseradio.net.